Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can stop payment on a check at Truist Bank. So the first thing that you will have to do is make sure that you've already opened your Truist Bank account so that you will be able to actually do these steps. And once you log into your account, you should see your payment section here. So it really depends on the layout of your screen. So what you will have to do once you see that, of course, you gotta explore so that you will be able to actually see the payment section. And once you see that, you will just have to click that and then click stop payment, and then you will select the account and then you will have to check your number, and then you will enter the reason for stopping the payment and then click confirm. And then after that, Truist will process the stop payment immediately, and you can check the status under pending transactions. And by the way, payments usually have a fee, so you gotta verify with Truist if you're unsure. And that's it. Please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.